These damsons are coming from the freezer. So the damsons were in the freezer. We want to defreeze them. So we can just defreeze them at room temperature. A plate full of damsons. Give them a few minutes to defreeze. The goal today is just to get some syrup out of the damsons. So we will just let them defreeze. So maybe 20 minutes or so. I have defrosted the damsons. So it's time now to extract the damson juice. So we are going to slightly boil them. So we're going to boil them. So we are going to put the damsons in the saucepan. We are going to parboil the damsons. Just half cup of water. There is our water and the damsons. Give it a bit of oil and then we simmer. Then we sieve and collect the damson juice. It's boiling now. We are boiling. The damsons are boiling. You can give them a good stir. You can crush them as well. Let's crush the damsons. We're going to simmer for 5 minutes. And we can also use the pulp in sauces or in desserts. Look at that. Simmering for a few minutes. The damson are ready. Look at that. We are going to use the syrup and we are also going to use the pulp. So it's time to strain. Then when we use the pulp, we remove the seeds. We will remove the seeds. That's our damson. Just cooling it off a bit. Then we strain and let it cool. Then we can always pour the damson syrup on our desserts, on various desserts. Even on soups and stews, we can use the damson syrup. That's the damson syrup sieving. Damson syrup sieving. We have our Damson syrup here. That's our Damson syrup. That's our syrup here, ready for use in our desserts. So we have banana here. We are going to make a banana dessert. We washed the banana. There goes our Damson syrup. It's really tatty, so you just need a little bit of the Damson syrup to make a delicious banana dessert. Enjoy. Wow. Time to enjoy. Damson syrup on banana. You can always top up with ice cream or yogurt if you wish.